Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you will good and fine. My dear student, yesterday we have learned about that how to change AM to PM and PM to AM. Okay, and we have also learned addition and subtraction, addition and subtraction of time. My dear student, now today we are going to learn about calendar. Calendar. In this topic, we will learn how many days in a year and leap year. Okay, let's see. Actually, student, you know that 1 year has 365 days. 1 year has 365 days, but also 6 hours. And 6 hours also. And 6 hours also. In a year have 365 days and 6 hours. So, if we calculate 6 hours plus 6 hours plus 6 hours plus 6 hours, it will make 24 hours. It will make 24 hours. So we can say that if a year has 6 hours extra, the second year will be also, third year will be also, and fourth year will be also. So we can say in 4 years have 24 hour extra, will be 24 hour extra. And we know that 24 hours equal to 1 day. So we can say every 4 years every 4 years have 366 days. That is also called leap year. That is also called leap year. So we can say one leap year equal to 366 days. One leap year equal to 366 days. Okay, students, I hope you can understand leap year and year and leap year how have come have 366 days. So note down. Now, dear student, suppose that this is 2012. Then tell me which year will be leap year. How will you find it, that year will be leap year? Here are two formulas to find out to leap year. That first, if given year divisible by 5, कोई भी साल कोई भी ईयर दिया हो अगर 4 से डिवाइड हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड लीप ईयर. कैसे? लेट्स सी एग्जांपल. 2012. If we take 2012, so let's divide by 4. 2012. Now 4 5 20. Cut. 1 will carry, but 1 will not divide by 4. So 2 will also take carry. When two numbers carry, then will 0 here. 4 3 12. 4 3 12. So we can say 212 perfectly divided by 4. There is no remainder. So this is not a leap year. This is called a leap year. But if you divide by 2022, okay, let's 2022, 4 5 20, cut. Now 2 will carry. 2 will not divide by 4, so 2 also carry. When 2 did carry, 0 will be here. Now 4 5 20, 0 there, 2. 2 will remainder. 2 will remainder, that is not divided by 4. So we can say 2022 is not a leap year. Okay, 2022 is not a leap year. Understand, friend? Now second formula is that if any year in form of hundreds, suppose that 1900, 1600, okay, for this अगर इस तरह से ईयर आपका दिया है, या सपोज दैट 2000, if year given in 100 formula, then how can you say that year is leap year or not? So in this case we will divide by 400. We will divide by 400. If a given year divide by 400, then it will, if it is divide perfectly by 400, then it will make a leap year. Suppose that if we divide 400 to 1600, 400, 1600, 4 4 जा 1600. Now 1600 perfectly divided by 400, so we can say 1600 year is a leap year. Okay, now 2000, 4 5 2000, cut. So we can say year 2000 was a leap year. Now 1900, if we divide 1900, 4 4 जा 1600, 300. Now 300 can't divide by 400. Okay, 300 will be reminder, so we can say 1900 year was not a leap year. Understand, friend? I hope you can understand from this formation. Okay, let's start your exercise. Okay, note down. Now student, activity 7 will start, and first question given that check whether the following years are leap year. Now let's start. Now our first question given that 1956. So here we are going to check that is a leap year or not. So first of all, for this year we will divide by 4. Very good, 4. Let's divide by 4. Solution. If this is completely divided by 4, then it will a leap year. Okay, so divide 4 4 ja 16. 3 will now 5 carry, 4 8 ja 32. Now 3 will 6 will carry, 4 9 ja 36. 489. 1956 year divisible by 4. So we can say 1956 was a leap year. So here you need to write. So 1956 was a leap year. Okay. Now next question. Let's see next question. Note down. Can I read? Now dear, question number B, 2004. Let's see, divide by 4. Right? Two 2004. Four five 20. 0 will carry, but here also and here will also. Okay. Now 4 will carry to here. 4 1 4. Okay. 501. 501. So we can say 2004 is divisible by 4. So we can say it was a leap year. So 2004 was a leap year. Okay students, note down. Now dear students, in question 2 given that Mohit went to Jaipur. Mohit went to Jaipur on 15 June 2013. Mohit went to Jaipur. Jaipur 15 June. 15 June. June will be 6th month of year. January, February, March, April, May, June. June 15, 6, 2013. Okay. He spent 25 days. If he spent 25 days. If he spent 25 days. Now question is that when did he came back to Delhi? Which date? So he will came back to Delhi. Equal 15 को गया 25 डेज इसने एक्सपेंड किए. It will be addition. It will be addition. So how will you add from the date 15/6/2013 to 25? How will you add? So first of all you will try. After that I will try. Try it. Do it. So dear student, for this you will do first of all we know that June month have 30 days. June month have 30 days. So we can say he will in June month. He is spent in June month equal to 30 minus 15 plus वो 35 डेज था ना, 25 डेज था ना, 30 में से 15 को आप माइनस कर दोगे. ठीक है, कितना बचेगा आपका 15 और प्लस 10, 25 डेज सभी तो होगा. तो यहाँ 10 से कर दीजिए आप. सो वी कैन से वो 10 तारीख को 10 को 7 मंथ को एंड 2013 को वापस आया. ठीक है, ऐसे ऐड करेंगे 30 डेज थे टोटल जून मंथ में, 30 में से 15 माइनस कर दिए, 15 डेज जून में उसमें एक्सपेंड किए, देन 10 डेज जो एक्स्ट्रा है, 25 डेज टोटल थे, 10 डेज जो एक्स्ट्रा है उसको ऐड करेंगे। सो वी कैन 10 7 30 एंड 10 जुलाई को वापस आया। ओके, नोट डाउन। I hope dear student you can understand from this video. We'll meet tomorrow. Till then, goodbye and take care. Okay, bye bye.